is my final project, so right here just explains the game and set all my variables, and let's see, scroll down. And here it asks the user if they know who Dark Nebula is, and if they answer yes, then they'll say this. If they answer no, they'll say this. If they don't answer yes or no, then it'll ask again. And then it begins its first action scene. So, it'll randomly set the Nebula agent attacks to 1 to 3. It'll ask if you want to punch or stab. If your answer is punch, it'll print that Nebula agent's health, and it'll deduct 20 from it. And then if Nebula attack is 1, 2, or 1, 3, or 2, it'll say Nebula agent use punch, Nebula agent use stab, or Nebula agent use punch again. It'll deduct the number of health that punch, stab, or punch, stab is, and then if health is less than or equal to 0, it'll say you have died, and then it'll ask if you want to play again. And then and if you beat the Nebula agent, it'll give you a random gold amount from 50 to 60. Let's see, and then it'll ask you if you want to visit the shop. If your answer is yes, it'll say the only weapon currently for sale is a machete. It'll ask you if you want to buy it, and then if you answer yes, it'll say it'll deduct 50 gold, and it'll set machete to true. If not, you'll still have this gold and machete's false. And then there's a lot of print statements. And then here's a really long action scene. So basically, if machete is true, it'll ask if you want to use punch, stab, or machete. If answer is punch, then it'll deduct set amount. If print Nebula agent health. If Nebula agent attack is 1, 4, 5, 6, 3, then it'll say it used stab, punch, or machete, deducting the correct amount. Basically it does that as a repeat. If your answer is stab, here, if you do not have if knife uses left is 0, it'll you do not have any knife uses left, and then it'll return you to the top of the loop. Let's see. Same. And then it's just that machete is false. It'll only give you the options of punch or stab. And then this is just a repeat of the first action scene. And another repeat. And then I just conclude the game and ask if you want to play again. This right down here basically keeps the program running, or the function running over and over again. So that's my final project. Yay.